Cause I'm like that. Cause I'm like that. Keep looking in the wrong spot for the camera, but it's right there. See you. Why, hello there, and welcome to the Garden of BanBan. You know, I don't really even know what to say, uh, other than I've heard a lot of people have played it, and I probably should have watched somebody play it first, but I'm kind of just nose diving right into it, so let's do it. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Press A to advance time. Oh. Uh-huh. So we're going at like an hour. Oh, the door's open. And there's a very beautiful man there. A fart cloud. What? Okay, well that was interesting. Use left thumbstick for movement. No, I don't wanna. A cat. Kitty cat. Go play. Go play with your toys. Oh, I wasn't reading what it say. Am I supposed to pick this up? So can I put it in here or something? Oh no, you distracted me. Now I do not know what to do. Oh, clumsy me. Alright. What what's my objective? I saw in the game trailer I have to hit that with a drone. Is the drone around here somewhere? Having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. That's creepy. I don't like vegetables. Ooh, that's a creepy hallway. I like it. Is there a way to crouch? Why is jump? Ooh. Aha, the drone. Remote requires 2 batteries. Is that going to be in this area? The battery area? A note! I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. I see. He has to fight the dodo bird to impress the love interest. Very common. Seen it many times in my day. Where am I gonna find these batteries at? I really want to know what I missed. Also, why can't I just can I jump and bonk it with my head? Bonk. No. Of course not. Battery. Walked past that earlier. How silly of me. Both batteries. There we go. Back to the drone. Very uncomfortable pausing sound. Listen to this. Imagine you're just walking down an alley at night and you hear that from behind you. Oh, well, you're up and ready to go, it seems. Oh, wait, no, don't go there. Go hit. Bonk. Which door do I go through first? This looks like the exit. Can I go home? Ah, I don't know which way to go. I'm guessing I'm not supposed to go home. I'm guessing I'm supposed to probably go into the creativity area. This sounds Pretty damn creative. We'll try the exit first. Nothing? Okay. Thanks for nothing. Okay. Alright, go over there. Go smack that. Go smack that button. Yeah. Oh! You're the bird I hear. Don't run from me, you little... Whoa, that's dark. No, not that. How do I put you away? Ah, wrong button. Oh, how lovely. Where's this dodo bird? Is it you? Are you the dodo bird? God, you look just delightful. Look, the handprints. You skipped leg day, but that's okay. Quite the sharp beak and the hollow interior makes for good body weight. Opila is an unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Oh, that's 1 egg. Okay. Going on an egg hunt. You stay over there. You spooky bastard. Where are these eggs? Oh, found you. That was a big one. What, 1? Again? That's 2. Do I have to feed it to you 1 at a time? That's 2. That's 2. 2 very creepy sounding eggs. 3. Can I go in the slide? No. Of course not. I'm an adult. Adult don't like fun thing. What's this do? Nothing. What if I send my drone at that button over there? Just walk down the slide. That's not a safety hazard or anything. Where is my drone at? Oh, you're pretty. Alright. The eggs. That's what's important right now. So we have to find them. To feed the bird. I'm surprised they didn't put 1 in there. That would have been a good spot. Oh, I hear my drone. There you are. You're stuck over here. Come over here. Come over here. The end is here. Why is the end here? I'm not even to this room yet. Sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. That's comforting. That's what you should tell children. Toy cannot be directly command. What? Okay. Now this room. Okay. Now hit that button. Nope. The button. The button. The button. Bonk. What'd that do? Huh? What'd that do? Nothing. I don't know. What does left trigger do? Whoa. How'd you get over there? Well, okay then. Where are the rest of the eggs? You hiding them? Huh? You hiding them? You know, it probably told me how to crouch, and I just don't know how. It's probably some eggs I gotta crouch for, maybe. Oh, there's one. Okay. 2 on you, 2 on me. We need 2 more. No. We need 1 more. I'm walking up the slide. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. Stupid bird. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. Still there? Yeah, you're still there. I don't understand what this does. Unless there's another one somewhere I have to hit. It'll drop an egg. Unless the egg's just over here somewhere. Is the egg hidden in the tree? Nope. Can I climb this? I'm training for American Ninja Warrior. Such still swings. Where is this egg? This might take a second. Alright, well, we'll put the other ones in here. Yeah, we need to find the last one. God, these things. Like a mannequin, but creepier. Aha! The last egg. Let me make sure my invisible shoes are tied. I'm probably gonna have to run in a second. Where's my prize? Claim your reward in the mouth. I'll stand off to the side. I don't trust you. Yoink. Hope it's closed. Okay, I'm getting the hell away from this bird. Oh! Oh. I kicked a chair. Oh. Huh? Can you go through there? Oh, wait. I think I know what to do. You gotta go through the yellow glass. Oh, okay. Ah, I don't like these tables. Okay. Can you go up in there? Yes. Yes. Hit the button. The button over there. Oh, you can't go through. Oh, I see. Yeah, I know. I gotta direct you. Oh, or you can do that. Okay, hit the button. Look at me go. Open this. A hammer? Distraction at 1. Okay, what does that mean? Ooga booga, booga ooga. I like it. I like what you're talking about. Strong vernacular. Well, I don't have the key card for that yet. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere, just like blood. The end is here. Where is here? Where is 1? Distraction at 1. Where's 1? I know something bad's gonna happen eventually, and the suspense is suspenseful. I don't know what to do. Distraction at 1. What is at 1? Can I have the drone break the... Oh, I can break these off. Well, I just should have done that forever ago. Press Y to jump? I knew that already. Duh. Alright. Emergency stop. Oh, that was a sound. Oh, wait, what's this do? Aha! A couch for me to cross with. Okay. Oh! Well, you're not even gonna let me on the... Oh, I gotta jump onto it. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. There's, bloody birdie prints going up this wall here. That's comforting. Yeah, I'm on the couch. Go. Later, bird. Except you can climb from the duh! Where's the bird gone? Did the bird go? I don't like the bird. What was my color? Well, you're green. No. Yeah. And you're purple. You're red. Oh wait, why'd I change it? It was already at red. You're orange. Yeah, you're clear. And I'm gonna guess you're pink. Is it telling me to jump up into the vent? Right there. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason, see me but go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. Yes, funny bird. Very funny, silly bird. Okay, I'm guessing I did this wrong. Because that's not open. But is that where I need to go? I'm gonna be like, how to jump into this thing. Okay, I'm dead. Sweet jump scare. Press A to be reincarnated. Interesting. Oh, I think I get it. It's gonna spell out the end. Oh, I don't like that bird. Oh, I can go look at everybody's colors now, though. You're pink. You're clear. You're blue. Okay. Pink, clear, and blue. Yeah, you're red. Alright. Sup, Yorb? Listen to some pause menu breathing real quick. Yeah. Okay. You're red. God, why'd I change it? It's already on red. No. Red. Yes. And then you're clear. Wait. Yeah, you're clear. You're green. You're pink. Past pink. There we go. You're blue. And you're orange. Hey, I did it. That's how it's done. What is up with these security cards? Oh, fuck no. Oh god, are you gonna step off and be all creepy? Oh no, you're just gonna sit there and stare at me. Oh, you're gonna get off there, aren't you? Right in front of the... Oh! Oh! Do you only move when... Oh! Oh! Okay, that's not too bad, actually. Okay, I can work with that. I can work with that. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode. But I do like this game. It's uncomfortable. So, look forward to more of this. For now, bye.